So the question 6, okay, this is question 6, okay, exercise 9. The coefficient for del 2u del x2 is 1. So c squared is 1, given from the question k is delta t equal to 0.1. H is delta x equal to 0.2, and then your rho squared is actually k squared multiply c squared divided by h squared, I6 squared. So you have rho squared is 0.25, 2 minus 2 rho squared, 2 times rho squared, 1.5. So the molecule for level 2 onwards, you have one targeted cell is equal to your rho squared is 0.25. The center middle coefficient is 2 minus 2 rho squared is 1.5. Right middle coefficient is 0.25. The center bottom is minus 1. And given u subscript t is actually del u del t, the initial velocity, because t0 is equal to 0. Hence the level 1, you don't have the plus k because gx is 0. So the level 1, is become 2 level, and then the center bottom coefficient is actually half of the middle level from level 2. So 0.125, 0.75, 0.125. And the left boundary and right boundary for left boundary and right boundary for wave equation are always 0. 0. Initial condition given is sin 4 pi x. So you make it in sin 4 times pi is pi, open close bracket, sin close the bracket, and then multiply x. Multiply x is at the bottom, I4. Enter. Sin 4 pi x. It's J14. You may round. Here I may round it to 4 decimal place. This is the answer. Check. We obtain correctly for initial condition. We obtain it correctly. Now level 1. Level 1 using the level 1 molecule equal to the left bottom coefficient multiply left bottom cell. You key in J12, bottom is row 13, left is I, so I13 plus center middle coefficient, make sure constant it. Multiply your left bottom exactly J, go down J13 plus right bottom coefficient, make sure you constant it. Multiply the right bottom, so your J is center, the right is K, so bottom is 13, so K13. If you use Excel, make sure you check back whether you click correctly. When you click back from the formula that you key in, you click, you see they were highlighted here, the cell. I13, J13, K13. So this is your left bottom, center bottom, right bottom. You are key in J12. And then you may round it to 4 decimal place, 322. Done. So you have completed level 1. Level 1, we use this color. Now level 2. Okay, level 2, you need this three level scheme. Okay, is 0.25. Make sure constant it multiply. Okay, you are key in J11. J, right is a I, and then left left is I, and the bottom is a I12. Mean the left middle level I12 plus 1.5. Make sure you constant it multiply the left middle, okay, here, plus this one multiply right middle minus left bottom. You see this is a left, okay, middle, center middle, right middle, left bottom here. Enter. Oh, then we may round it to 4 decimal place. So I obtain correctly negative 0.2351. So if you want to calculate, okay, the question asks up to level 2. You want to calculate level 3, you can select, okay, your whole level 2. Then you can complete, okay, as many row that you want. So this is the question 6. Okay, where we calculate all this one using the, okay, yellow color molecule.